This is my Sunday morning cutting down trees. Oh my God. When talking about somebody out of breath, look at all this. But look at that. I done good. And you know I got my #1 supporter helping, my daddy. Can't do it without him. But y'all see this? Look how these kids let these trees grow from my fence. I should really be ignorant and just really make them do every last one of these trees. I think I did a good job. Look at this. This shit don't make no sense. You wouldn't even know my backyard was this nice because of all the fucking trees. Well, y'all, gotta get back to helping the old man before he feel like I ain't doing that back. No, Daddy, don't quit. Keep going. Because I told him I want to be able to see my fence. He told me that it's my privacy fence. How is this my privacy fence and it's trees? He talking about, you just say you built your own privacy fence. Where? No, we got to get deep down in there. My dogs be running from me and hiding up under all these trees. Lord Jesus, like I have a whole fence back there, but you would never know. No, you never know. Daddy, you use the big thing and cut down them sticks. All them little sticks that's hanging, that's going to irritate me. Or use your trimmer thingy. Why? Oh my God, y'all. And then look at me. Very looking a hot mess. I look a straight hot mess. Hey, man, you should come help your auntie come cut down these trees, help your papa. And then I hear this nigga. You hear him? He on this motorcycle.
Who's that?
You about to see him on that funky ass motorcycle. No, Teron at work. You should get you one, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
See, look.
For the bike?
But they put a motor on it.
Yeah, the bike.
Yeah.
And Triumph.
No, General got one too. They all got one. General!
Till we go to jail. The bike, yeah.
Look, this nigga riding up on the bike and shit, and I'm out here cutting bushes with my daddy. That's why nigga ain't eating no Sunday dinner today. Bet he don't.
Hey now.
Daddy, start up your thing. Come on.
Report.
It's raining.
Come on. Told you.
Daddy, that's not a privacy fence. Stop saying that. It's not. Who's that yelling?
Come, grab this.
Y'all.
Let me get you started.
He talking about he gonna get me started. I know this ain't poison ivy.
Oh no.
Well. Oh my God. Daddy, watch my hand. I think my dad's trying to kill me. Cause he keep on yelling at me, just swinging this blade. I lose some fingers because of this old man.
Put the goddamn phone down.
All right, I gotta go, y'all. My dad getting mad. Peace, love, and hair grease, y'all.